Hi everybody, this is Con. You're looking at the Mitsubishi Triton Athlete. This is a new variant of the Mitsubishi Triton. It has the same features, okay, as the Triton VGT Adventure X that you see here, but where the Adventure X is given a bit more, a bit more rugged appearance, right? The Athlete has a more lifestyle-oriented, styling. So where functional features are concerned, the Athlete and the Adventure X are the same. They are differentiated only by styling touches. But one thing where the Athlete differs from the Adventure X is the infotainment system, which incorporates an Apple CarPlay, and it is factory fitted from Thailand. The Adventure X infotainment system is a locally sourced unit. Okay, so let's come up close and see and look at the all the aesthetics of the Triton Athlete. So to start with, this is a new black grille with honeycomb mesh. Okay, coming down a bit lower. This is the front bumper garnish. Okay, and you also notice this orange grey stickers here. Okay, headlights are the same as the regular Triton. Okay, with LED DRLs. So you move here. The alloy wheels here are painted black. Okay, and you notice at the side, okay, the Athlete here has these black side steps and also this orange sticker with the Athlete word painted here lah. Okay, now coming to the back. Line with also this another line of orange contrast sticker here. Okay, coming down, another Athlete sticker here and orange contrast sticker as well. Okay, so you see this little spoiler at the top and also the reverse camera. So you have keyless entry. So we come on board. So before we step inside, let's have a look. The door panel, orange contrast stitching, okay, on this black interior. There's this Athlete word here running along with orange contrast seats. Right. So features wise, this is the same cabin as you would see in the Triton Adventure X. Okay, but let's give you a closer look at the infotainment system. Now the car is not started, so I cannot show you how it works, but this is a factory fitted unit. Okay, so this car came from Thailand, okay, complete with this head unit fitted, whereas in the other variants of the Triton, the car comes without an infotainment head unit. The car comes here blank. The head unit is then installed locally. So let's look closer. This is the gear knob with orange contrast stitching, and as you can see, there are two USB chargers here, 2.1 amp USB chargers. This is another USB port that connects to the infotainment, and a 12-volt socket with a cigarette lighter. Okay. So you have dual zone climate control. This is the 4-wheel drive selector. So let's look at the back seat. Okay, once again you can see orange, black leather seats with orange contrasts. Okay, so before we end this video, I'll take you onto the Triton Adventure X as well, which is supposed to be the same, has the same functional specs as the Athlete, but with the difference of the different audio head unit. So I'm going to show the audio head unit of the Triton Adventure X. So now we are on the Triton Adventure X. Okay, this is the head unit that comes with the Triton Adventure X. The Triton Adventure X comes from Thailand to Malaysia with this dash slot blank. So this head unit that you see here in the Triton Adventure X is fitted locally, whereas the one in the Athlete is factory fitted in Thailand. Okay, so from here we look outside, see the Athlete again. Okay, so that concludes this very brief walk around video of the new Mitsubishi Triton Athlete. Okay, it is priced identical to the Adventure X at 126,990 ringgit on the road without insurance in Peninsular Malaysia. Okay, so until my next video, thanks for watching. Bye for now.